Israel.
Yes.
Israel menjajah. Kuliahnya dokter. Ya bang, kayak lu bang. Suram.
Hai bro.
Hey bro, yuk Kazakhstan bro.
Как дела?
Привет.
Как дела? Как дела?
Kak Dela, I'm good. How about you, brother?
Нормально.
Wah,
Пиво. Very good.
waduh, very good. Kazakhstan.
What is it?
Ya macet bang. What?
Как тебя зовут?
Я не понимаю русский.
What is your name?
Oh, my name is Taliyoyo.
What?
Taliyoyo.
Алиё.
Iya, Taliyoyo.
Алиё.
Ah.
My name is Alex.
Alex. What's your name?
Алиё.
Iya, Taliyoyo.
Yes.
You drunk? Are you drunk?
Пиво.
Viva. Waduh, orang mau.
Казахстан, пиво.
Kazakhstan Viva. Oh, ente nggak mabuk ente bang. Panggilin Bribtu
Знаешь
Ambarita.
Казахстан?
Israel.
You love Israel?
Israel, Pak ya.
I'm Israel, my friend. Bernatula.
Quartararo. Bang,
Pararo.
you look like Quartararo, Fabio Quartararo. Gimana juara 2 in Mandalika? You from Israel, bro?
Yes, sir.
Oh, live in mana? Tel Aviv. Iya bang. Oh, ente mantap. What's your name bang?
You know your language sound like Portuguese.
Sound like a Portuguese, my language.
Yes.
Waduh, bukan, no, I'm Indonesia. Waduh, ada aja bang. Gimana?
Have a good day, man.
Israel, Pak ya. Israel. Kita ngambil tanah orang. Ya udah bang. Udah bang, itu ada yang sipah, gue mau makan dulu. Makaroni. Makaroni, hot makaroni. Enak
God
bang.
bless you, man. God bless you.
Amin. Israel. Bang, you from Israel bang. You get cold bang. Masuk angin. Israel, payah. Israel is colonizer. Prepet. Israel is a lion stealer. Prepet. Inti dasar penjajah. Inti penjajah ya? Are you penjajah? Yeah. Are you penjajah? Iya. Are you tukang ambil tanah orang? Oh, dikit pala lu banyak ngambilnya lu. Sleep bang. Where is Hamas bang? Hamas.
Fuck you, Hamas.
Sending rocket, tui, der gitu. Hamas is like sending rocket.
What is Russia is
Ukraine. Ya, bang kena roket Hamas. Be careful you, will get roket Hamas ntar. Be careful, bener bang. Udah mandi belum? Have you taken a bath? Ya udah gua ambil. Israel.
Yes.
Israel menjajah.
Look Israel.
Tanah Palestina tuh.
Beautiful. Country.
Wih, iya. Israel menjajah.
We from Israel.
Palestina tuh parah. Hey, waduh, what's your name?
What happened?
What's your name?
What's up? My name is Talia. My name is Yael and Oria.
Oh iya. Oh
I
iya.
am 16. Wow, 16.
You beautiful.
Thank you.
Waduh. Gue bungkus nih.
Thank you.
Yang kayak gini gue mau bungkus. Yes.
What?
I'm from Singapore.
I don't stand you, sorry.
I'm from Singapore.
Nice. Thank you.
What you said?
I'm from Singapore.
Wow.
Singapore. Sini, come here.
Sama where there?
What?
Nice.
Where there? Nice.
Nice. Bagus. Keren. Israel menjajah. Jauh deh. Be careful ente kalau kita. Do you have Instagram, Pak?
What?
You know talk English?
Iya, do you have Instagram? Waduh.
Instagram. You have. Wait. יש פה אמריקאי, דברו איתו. היי.
Waduh, cakep ya. Rame banget ini. Lagi jagongan.
Hey, teacher.
Iya.
Do Korean?
Korea annyeonghaseyo.
Yeah. You Korean?
No. I'm Singapore.
Japan?
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Do Japani?
No.
You.
I am from Singapore. Gino
wait, אני רושם לך את האינסטגרם שלי, teacher אין מורה. רגע.
Makan dulu gua.
היי.
Makaroni.
תעבירי. Yes, sorry. Yeah. היי. אחי, בואי נחליף. רגע. היי. אז בעצם אתה מספר? נומבר?
Oria Moas.
אינסטגרם.
Iya.
Nice to meet you.
Iya, nice to meet you. Israel, bayar.
Bye
Ini
bye.
cakep nih, dia deh, iya. Pales.
Hey, Singapore.
Hey, Israel.
Yes.
You from Israel?
Yes.
Why are you on the outside? Shopping.
What?
Are you shopping?
Yes.
Waduh, walking around nih. Yatin dikena roket Hamas.
Yeah, bye.
Be careful you, will get roket Hamas terkena. Korea belum mana nih? Uzbekistan kali ya? Bang. Ini orang Uzbekistan, Bang. Rambutnya kayak Jimmy Neutron. Marah dia. Mauritius.
Yo, what's up, man?
Bro, you from Mauritius?
How do you know?
Yeah. It is written Mauritius.
Mauritius.
Where is Mauritius? In America? In
That's Africa.
Africa?
Yeah.
Oh, Africa, but you look like Indian. Your appearance, you originally from Pakistan or Indian, yeah?
You, man.
You don't look like African. Yeah.
Where you from? Indonesia?
Yeah.
Vietnam? Where you from?
Indonesia.
Yeah.
Is that all the Mauritius people look like you?
What you trying to say, huh?
Huh? Yeah, I want to know the Mauritius race, you know?
Yeah, some are Indian, some are African, some are.
Oh, there are various type of race in Mauritius. Iya, aduh Mauritius. I seldom meet
Mauritius. Say it right. It's Mauritius.
Mauritius. Oh, like that. Because I don't know Mauritius. Mauritius.
Yeah.
It's very hard. Huh?
Mauritius.
Mauritius. It's very hard, you know. I'm not getting used to speak like that. What's your name, brother? Your beard very good.
Suhail.
What?
Suhail.
Sohel.
No, Su. S-U.
Suhel.
Yeah.
Oh, Suhel. You have nice beard, brother.
I
Mantap.
have big nose as well.
Your beard and your nose. Are you originally from Mauritius?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, that's.
What's your name?
Oh, my name Talioyo.
What the fuck?
Talioyo.
Oh, it's Yo-Yo.
Ah,
Nice.
Talioyo, Mauritius. It is a small country, Mauritius.
Yeah, really small. It's an island.
Oh, yeah. What is the language of Mauritius, bro?
What?
What is the language of Mauritius?
Oh, it's English and Creole.
English and what?
Creole.
Kiwi.
No, it's Creole.
Creole.
Yeah.
Oh, iya. What do you eat in Mauritius? Rice. Yeah.
Yeah, we eat everything except pork.
Oh, iya. Rice, bread gitu ya, Bang. Bread, you don't know bread.
Yeah, I know. But...
Roti, Bang.
yeah, roti.
Mauri.
Hey, what you doing?
I want to know where is Mauritius, you know? Mauritius. Oh, it's Africa. Oh, it's very, very small island.
Yeah.
Is the east of Madagascar, eh? Oh, Mauritius. Kok namanya, the name is very, very France. Port Louis. Grand Baye. Waterbochnes. Wachtboch. Ada apalagi Saint-Paul, Saint-Pierre. Waduh, jajan Prancis ya? The colonizing of France ya? Mauritius.
Yeah.
Oh. Subscribe.